Evelyn Rex. Evelyn Rex.
Born Evelyn Rex on the 15th of May 1945 at St. Helens Hospital, 35 Dryden Street, Grey Lynn.
Wow. How are you?
She was unsure if she was born in the morning or the afternoon. The fee for the birth certificate was £1 shilling. Her birth certificate number was 213476.
There's her ID number.
Her mother, our maternal grandmother, Evelyn Rex, was 23 at the time that she had mum.
Oh, wow.
About a year later, mum was named Jean Rose Hattie.
Virginia.
Mum was raised in Parnell for the first 3 years, then moved to 21 Waddell Avenue, Port England in 1948.
That's nice.
She attended Kingsland School from the age of 12, from the age of 5 through to 11. She went to Point England Primary, Pumpkin College. At 16 years old, she left school and went straight into work at the telephone exchange in Wellesley Street, Auckland City.
Wow.
Yeah.
Nice.
Mum also worked at places like Action Uniforms, Tip Tops, True Test, Mag Wheels, Fisher and Buckles, the TAD, and Cobb & Co.
Wow.
Mum was also instrumental in Pakaranga softball, backwatch netball, and Pakaranga netball as well.
Wow.
She is an avid traveller. She's been to Vegas, Australia, Niue 8 times, and her best trip, Arkansas, USA.
Wow.
She told me that. I want to acknowledge the O'Mearas, Kerry, Neville, Peter, Colleen, Whanela, Ikile, and their whānau, Eileen, Tina, Teresa, Willie, and Jeffrey. Also down the road was Elizabeth McCarthy, Brent Rankin, lived down by the doctors, and Colleen Kerr.
Yes, she is a lovely lady.
Mum had good friends with Rowena, Sam Marvey, Marlene, and Simon Fleming, Tom and Gail Nathan. Also, Rhina, Richard Mana, Monty and Dorothy Joyce, Ivan and Marawa Rollo, Ira, David King, Dawn Armstrong, Hugh Koroheke, and Mike and Dorleen McNamara.
Nice.
Mum has 4 children, 9 grandchildren, 6 great-grandchildren, and 1 great-great-grandchild.
Great, wow.
Mum also lived at 21 Waddell Avenue from 1956 to 68. There was 12 years. She was scared. Her time before the time she Pakaranga from 68 to 2022, 54 years. And now she lives currently at 10 Rush Creek Drive in Westgate from 2022 to 2025, 3 years.
Wow.
And our family, we use words like kindness, compassion, friendliness, and none of these explain our mom. So that's why I mentioned to her favourite and youngest love child son, Bronson, to say a few minutes.
I'm just going to say a few things because I grew up with him as well. I might have been the spoiled one, but I've got a lot of tricks of mum as well. She used to throw all my things out that I needed most. Disinfect the bed before I sleep in it. Throw mothballs in my clothes. Keep it clean. So those few things is what I remember my mum had. But now she's always texts me and says she loves me, and so it's come around full circle with love you. Congratulate you for making 80 years. And a few more to go, eh, Mum?
Cool.
From me and my family,
Much more.
love you very much. That's it for me. Good to see everybody here. A lot of old faces. But yeah, love you all. Say Take Judy's home.
Okay.
This is Nada, this is our Fidione group that Mum and Dad both belong to. We go to every Thursday.
Are we singing here or up here?
I think we're going to should sing here, facing her. We should sing here, face. Oh, up to you.
Good sound.
Happy birthday, Auntie. Oh.
He's talking to you.
Birthday, Auntie. Sorry I came a bit late. I was lost. One job. But yeah, thank you.
Sorry in this game.
Thank you for the invite and good to be here on behalf of my group. I've only known you since 5 minutes ago. It's a long time. Surprisingly, we acquainted each other at the ED in Livermore. And I don't know you.
Right.
She didn't know me.
It was an accident.
But
Sorry.
yeah, I had seen her on Aggie's post, because Aggie's like a social butterfly. And that's who I sort of saw your I thought she must be one of my aunties. And I just wanted to introduce myself to you, and yeah, it was good meeting you at that time. Going through our health issues, whatever it was, but yeah, we sorted that out hopefully. But a few months later, you decided to come through with Aggie to Whiniana Plus.
Yeah, nice man.
And it was good. You know, we seem to be an open group. We like gossiping, we like laughing, we like mocking each other. You know, all of the above. Yeah, with Aggie, that's fine. But yeah, the fact that you came through and was a part of our group, you were automatically a part of the family. And yeah, it's only been a few years since I've known you, but yeah, knowing the connections that we all have, knowing where we've come from, I'm only a young fella in my 30s, I feel like my 90s. But, yeah, I'm glad to have yeah, fellowship with you on Thursdays, and then, you know, a few months later, your husband decided to come along, and then daughter, yeah, and you know, you became a part of our family, and knowing and seeing what your husband had come through, and being how picky he is, awesome. I'm glad you've reached your milestone, Auntie. I pray the Lord will bless you with more. Trust in Him. He is the way, the truth, and the life. There's nothing else other than Him. And it's all love. Jesus loves you and He loves us all. So, yeah, happy birthday. Many more. And take care. On behalf of my group, I'm just going to hand it over to Aggie. She's got a lot more to say. I love you all. Bye.
Hi everyone, my name is Agnes and I've seen some old faces from back in the day, our old love. Auntie Jean, wow. Auntie Jean and Uncle Buck have known for a long time, and she invited me to play softball one year, and I haven't, well, in those days I didn't look back and just, we had an awesome softball team, and I see a few faces here that we used to play, and Auntie Jean played as well. And I'm glad she's with our Pinione Plus group, which is a group that all the elderly people come and get together, and we really miss Uncle Buck. He was amazing. Excuse our people at the back. We're just going to face this way. We were going to go over there, but they all came over here. Yeah. Anywho, we're just going to sing a couple of songs for you guys and for Auntie Jean. Huh? We're singing Flat Happy Birthday. And this is Pinione Plus. Whakawelahi mahaki au tulo. Thank you. For you, Auntie Jean.
Oh, thank you, sweetheart. Thank you very much.